Santa Ana Road. It's Caleb's birthday. Hi, Daddy. Ayan, si Daddy kasama namin.
Naka-video kayo.
Ayan, kasama namin si Daddy.
Naka-video kayo, video.
Video.
Oh. Oh. Salita kayo.
Masakit ang gulugod ko, hindi. Hindi ako makapita ka.
Happy birthday, Butchoy! Happy 12th birthday!
Yeah!
Hi,
Happy birthday! Hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Wala.
Ayan, si birthday boy.
Kailan cake?
Other way, Dad. Other way. Dad, other way.
What?
Listen out words for you guys. Alright. Amazing. There we go, guys. Alright, happy birthday.
Thank you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Caleb. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Oh, wait.
Happy birthday.
Yay! Thank you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Caleb! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday, Caleb! Love you!
I'm gonna go to a trampoline park and I'm gonna eat everything there. Mom, for her birthday daw, Jen, yun naman ang favorite niya eh. She's a trampoline. Ano na? So, ako sa trampoline. Okay. Lola, the food is so pizza. Wow. What are you doing? Oh my God, what is this? Wow! Galing from Ate Aaron. Wow, labubu!
Are you gonna open it? Are you gonna open it? You need help? You need help? That's not how you open it.
Okay, open it! Turn it up!
Open it. Like this.
Oh.
Really good. Breaking my bicycle.
Open it! Tear it!
What, Daddy?
Unboxing! His labubu.
You need help? Bro, it's already open.
Oh, wow!
That's green, not gray.
Nice!
Wow.
Show it! Show it!
Oh my God.
Show the face! No, it's not like that! What's that? Oh, show it!
Yeah, good morning. Breakfast muna. Gala mode. May pupuntahan tayo today. So, birthday ng Caleb. Order muna dito. Push button. here, Great America. Bukas na ba?
Oo, bukas yun na. Diliikot ko.
Hindi, yung Great America.
10 o'clock.
10. We are going to Great America.
Early bird tayo para mag-rapids ka
Next to Libre Stadium. Parking.
Ah, nakasarado. Ay, hindi. Naka-open na.
Sarado. Kaya nga wala kang makita isang kotse.
Oh my God, I want to go back to malapit.
Lapit yung mga yan. Nandiyo tayo sa Libre Stadium. Kaya nakapasok na tayo. Pupunta natin yung ano, yung rapid. Kasi yun ang magandang i-ride eh. Rapid. Ayan, oh. Rapid. Dati may ano dito, may babasain ka. Basa ka na nga sa rapid, may mambabasa pa eh dati. No?
It's so scary.
Ayan na! Magdadrop na!
Okay, let me hit the flag. Oh no!
Ayan, that's the first drop!
I had to! I'm gonna be the flag.
Hold on here! Hold on here! There! Backwards! You're going backwards, Koy!
Oh, I think you're
Hold on! Look at the wave! Look at that strong wave! Meron ba? Lahat na ba na? Ayaw ba? Ay, ito, ito! Basta pati sapatos.
Taas mo yung sapatos mo. Ah! Hey!
Not in the face, that's dirty one.
My shoes are
Ayun na, that's it. No more na. Ay mo, no more.
Kapag pala nagdala tayong slipper mo, sobrang wet yung shoes mo. Kaya sinalo mo yung... Put them up! What are you doing? Can we go third round? Hindi na. What?
Hindi na gonna allow us anymore.
Kaya marami na
They're gonna
nakakita.
think we're right about it.
Please remain seated until your raft is completely inside the station. At that time, a ride attendant will assist you with exiting. Thank you.
Nasulit na yung ano kasi nakadalawang ride na ng rapid. Dati 1.5 hour yung line dito eh. Ngayon, pinagana tayo, dalawa. Tapos walang line, tayo yung unang-una. Tayo yung unang-una ngayon.
Tanggalin na ba?
you, boss. Woo! Woo! Ang tayo galing sa Rapid. Ang dalawang ride. Ayun, basang-basa tayo.
You're so wet, Caleb.
¿Va Kelly Gómez?
Come on.
Are you ready?
I want to do it.
Yes.
Are you ready?
No, two of them.
Together? Awesome, go ahead.
I'm by myself.
By yourself?
Yeah.
Awesome. I have one more car.
Oh, yay!
Okay. Okay, go. Go ahead.
You're the smallest.
Pull it. Pull the seat back. Oh, yan.
Okay, that's what you're...
One.
Did I get on this?
Okay. Ito the Flying Eagle. Lilipad tayo dito sa Flying Eagle. Ayan na. Andun sila sa ano. Naka-backyard na. Nakakahila daw ito pero okay lang naman yung ano lang.
Awesome. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you. Yan na. All clear na. Close your eyes if you're dizzy. Ayan na, bumibilis na. Bumibilis na. Woo! 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 Close your eyes if you're dizzy. Ayan, bilis. Woo! 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 You like it? Ang lakas ng hangin. Ang lakas. Who's doing the control of the flap? Woo! Fly! We're flying! Woo! We're flying! Woo! 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 Control the flap! Woo! Woo! Great control, Caleb! Woo! Woo! Left, left! Woo! Right, right! Woo! 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 Ayun na, bumabagal na. Woo! Ayun na, bumagal na. Are you okay? Are you dizzy? Ah, ako dizzy.
Complete stop.
Woo! We made it. This one.
What? The flap.
The Flying Eagle.
You know I could be pretty close. I know mag-isa. Ayaw na mag-
Ako.
Somebody say yeah, yeah.
Yan si Daddy, oh. Ang bilis daw, sabi ng Daddy na narinig mo. Woo! Woo! It's going down now. Going down. They're going down. Hi!
There's Caleb, I see Caleb. Bella.
Please keep your arms and legs inside the car at all times
Yeah.
and remain seated throughout the entire ride. Thank you.
Woo! Ah! Ayan na yung deep na. Ay, Caleb! Woo! Ayan na. That's it. Eh, pila na yun. Yun. Ayan sila. Oh. Ayan na. Ganun lang kabilis.
Please keep your arms and legs inside the car at all times and remain seated throughout the entire ride. Thank you.
Close ngayon yung South Bay Shores kasi hindi na summer. Pero dati dyan kami nag-slide eh, water park.
Open?
Yung Mass Effect. Sarado. I mean, full na yung ride. Next ride is 12 o'clock now. So, tatry na muna natin yung Psycho Mouse. Okay, we're gonna ride the Grizzly. Tayo. Mabagal na roller coaster. Mataas pero mabagal lang. first time nating ride Grizzly. Dati hindi man, niride ko yun eh. Kami ni Mrs. Parang kinuha yung puso ko eh.
Is it secure?
Yeah. But we're not gonna go 360 on that.
We're going 360?
No. Hi.
Bye-bye!
Only one big drop and very slow.
Okay.
Remember the Gilroy?
Yeah.
See that the big drop there.
Okay.
Yay! Go ahead. Here we go. Yay! Come here. You can close your eyes. Huh? Wait, done? Yeah. Good thing kaya na-drop yung GoPro. Dapat dito nakatad. Yung first drop. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna ride this. What's the name of this ride?
I forgot.
The kite. It looks like
The kite. Earlier, we rode that Grizzly.
And then
Yeah, my GoPro fell out.
the ice one.
Tingnan natin yung drop zone. Kanina may nag-drop yan, taas oh.
Bella! Caleb! Bella! Bella!
kami on the top of the world. Dati doon lang sila sumasakay sa pumpkin ride. Tapos, dati may nag-slide kami dyan dati sa ano. Sa blue. Na-try naman natin blue. Pero lang yung mga tubes, di ba? Ayan. Ayan. Nandun pa rin yung jeep, oh. Yung jeep na 4x4. Yan yung nilakad natin kanina. Dati dyan.
Malayo pa rin ba yan sa end?
Layo eh. Dati dyan lang sila nag-slide sa orange na yun.
Ayun, na-address din na gusto sa
Ay,
kaya.
orange na ano.
Psycho Mouse.
Ayan, dati. Depelot ni Kela. Tsaka dyan, maraming water dyan dati. Ayan. Ayan. Sa kabila.
Wala pa sila no?
Ay, sa likod natin. Sila Nick. Ayan, Levi Stadium. Niner. Last time, nanonood kami ng game dyan. Punta natin kita dyan. Masakit. Oo, yun yung Grizzly, kaya lang matagdag.
Halfway upon.
Ano yung halfway?
Ang full body.
Halfway? Ay, alam ba yung sa mo? Yung pagkaupo? Full body. Yung dito?
Mhm.
Eh, kanina sinakyan natin yan kanina. Yung ano, yung water ano, haba ng pilo. Rapid. Ito na yung Delta Flyer. Ito na, bababa na. Pero mga 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Ayan. Ayan na. Ito na. Ayan na, ayan. Naka-landing na. Naka-landing na sila. Doon kami galing sa pinakataas. Top of the world. GoPro nag-crack, oh. Nabaksa kanina yan, laki ng crack. Eh, buti hindi nawala. Yeah, si Caleb, sabi niya, Dad, your GoPro. Buti na-drop sa seat. Hindi sa ano. Eh, gumagana pa naman. Oh my God. Thank you for watching. Until next video. Thank you. Peace out.
I didn't notice them. And it's stopping now. Now, Caleb. What's yours, Caleb?
Got the food you want, Jollibee, or you want something else?